The first assembly step is to attach the collar to the motor unit. To avoid installation difficulties, do not connect the power and run the garage door opener until instructed to do so. The actual collar shipped with your residential jackshaft opener may vary slightly in appearance from what is shown in this video. First, loosen the collar screws. Attach the collar to either the left or the right side of the motor unit. Ensure that the collar is seated all the way on the drive shaft until the stop is reached. Use a 3/16" hex key wrench to secure the collar. Position the collar so that the screws are facing out and accessible when attached to the torsion bar. It is critical to securely tighten the collar screws that attach the collar to the unit. Note that if the collar screws are not tightened properly over time, limit drift may result. Do not tighten the center set screw at this time.